I want to talk a little bit about the SCERTS in Action online course. This has been a really valuable resource and training tool that I have been able to access this year. It wasn't easy to access it. As far as I know, I'm still the only person in Auckland anyway with a current login password to be able to get into these courses, which is a bit of a shame and still has to be worked out. But this has given me opportunity to really investigate SCERTS, and when I was looking at the online either training or resources that were there and found these, it was really quite exciting. These are developed in New Zealand. Lynn Hayes presents most of the material. She's a speech therapist who is working with the Ministry of Education while the SCERTS training and the ASD project was being run, and she's been an integral part of creating these online modules. I've used them for myself. I've used them for the community of practice that I've been facilitating, and I've also explained and shown my workshop group how to use these as well. They've all got my login at the moment, but we will resolve that in time, I'm sure. But just briefly, these are great modules. Each one follows this process as an introduction. Modules 1 up to 4 goes through the SCERTS process. In the introduction, this is the introduction section here, and it's quite easy really. You just click on the thing that you're wanting to find out about. And I'm not sure if you actually managed to hear that or you're hearing it over the top of me. So unfortunately, when I tried to click on the screen to let you hear what was happening, the microphone kept switching off, but you could see a little bit of what was happening as I clicked on the different sections, and as each module runs through, there are a number of handouts that go with that. There are exercises, there's some videos to watch, even in the beginning. Let's have a wee look. We've got the video with Barry Present. That's the same one as on the YouTube, and it is part of his DVD series. That just is the introduction to the whole SCERTS model. Lynn Hayes talks about the SCERTS adapted process and how that works in this particular introduction. And then I'm not sure if you'll be able to see if I can move this. No, it's not going to move while I'm recording, but you can click onto the different modules from a side menu, and that takes you through each of the training. Some of these can take about 15 minutes to do, but they make really interesting learning, and are a good opportunity to trial and then talk about. We've used them with the community of practice and gone through each of the 4 modules now and completed them, and they've been really positive learning and discussion at the end of that.